Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. I am grade 3 English literature teacher. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 12, A Wise King, and it is on page number 65. So open page number 65, A Wise King. Remember what happened in the last chapter? In the last chapter, Tom told the truth to Prince Edward and to everyone, and he also admitted that he has become imposter by mistake, and he's not the real king, but Edward is the real king. And so after that, everyone recognized and crowned the real king, Prince Edward. Now what happened with the Miles Hendon? Remember that Miles Hendon and Prince Edward, they were lost, and they have separated from each other. So now Miles Hendon is worried, and he wanted to find Prince Edward. He doesn't know that what has happened, so he is finding the trying to find Prince Edward, but his clothes were very dirty and he was looking like a beggar. So when he tried to approach the palace, two soldiers seized him and stopped him over there, and then they searched his pockets and found a letter that was in English, Latin and Greek, that Edward had given him at the Hendon Hall. But Hendon had completely forgotten about it. But the guards could not read the letter, so they took the letter to their officer, and then Hendon was kept in a small room, and the officer saw the letter. Hertford, it was letter for the Sir Lord Hertford. So they waited for Sir Hertford to finish the coronation ceremony, and over there Hendon is waiting in the room. He is not knowing what is happening. Now open page number 65. Now what happened? Lord Hendon, then a servant came, and he took Hendon with him to the palace, and when he crossed the passage, he came to the palace, and Sir Miles Hendon saw Prince Edward, and he recognized his friend, Prince Edward, and then Prince Edward was very happy to see Miles Hendon, and he told everyone that he has like saved his life and his crown, and Hendon was very happy, and the king touched his shoulder with a gold sword and told Hendon to get up. And then what happened that remember in the coronation ceremony, Hug and Lady Edith had also come, and they were staring the Miles Hendon in surprise as the king took Miles Hendon in his arms and kissed him. Now come to page number 67. Now what happened? Hendon said warmly, and Hendon was now assured that Edward was telling the truth, and he said that I was thinking that Edward was a poor man. Now the king, who is Prince Edward, he said to Sir Hug that you know that I have known that Hug that you are a cruel man, and you have stolen Miles Hendon's house, his property, and his lady also. And you also wrote a false letter to your father saying that Miles Hendon is dead. And after hearing this news, your father has died. So now you have to stay, Sir Hug has to stay in the prison until Edward will decide what to do with him. Now when Sir Hug had gone, Lady Edith got the courage, and he said that my lord, he said to Prince Edward that she also has to say something, and she said that she also recognized Miles Hendon, but because he was afraid with Sir Hug, that's why he didn't recognize him at the Hendon Hall. So we stop there. You can go through page number 65, 66 and 67 till the next class. Allah Hafiz.